Just a quick update on the Dune Buggy mod that I'm doing with the taillights. Just put that there. So I found the plugs that I was going to use. They're from Mauser. I'll put the link in the description. But they're 3-pin. Something like that. So you got your A, your B, and then a ground. But I ran into a problem where I didn't really want this hanging off the back of the Dune Buggy or something. So there was a 3D model for this, so I just imported the 3D model into Fusion 360 and made a mount that might go like that. Let's see if you can see that. So what would happen is also Ninja Flux 3D filament. It's squishy. So what would happen is this gets onto here, and it's pretty solid. Like that's not coming apart, mainly because of the hooks. That's going to help it. But once this is on there, this will be tied somehow, washer and a nut, and then it'll look something like that. I don't know. Seems like it'll work pretty strong. I gotta print another 3 of these. I gotta find 3 more of these tomorrow because my local Advanced Auto Parts store are all sold out. So